Hello everybody and welcome! In this video I will show you all charging methods for your headphones EarFun TW303. And the first one is to use an adapter and USB-C cable. So just connect adapter to the power and USB-C cable to USB-C port on your charging case. And we can see this LED light, so it means that it's charging. Cool. The second one is to use your phone. All you need to have is just a USB-C to USB-C cable. It looks like this. But if your phone do not support USB-C, maybe you should have Lightning to USB-C or even micro USB to USB-C. So just connect USB-C cable to your phone and the second one to USB-C port. And we can also see this LED light, so it means that it's charging. Next one, this headphone support wireless charging, so you can use wireless charging station. Now you should put it, and we can see this LED light also here. And because of that, it works with a reverse wireless charging from your phone. So you should have this feature on your phone, and now again you can put it and it will be charging. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!